Hello everyone, my name is Dennis and today we're gonna talk about Supernus Pharmaceuticals, and I really ask you to push like button and subscribe button and to leave some comment because this video will watch around 100 people when it is actually new. And please write down, do you really need this, because I spend lots of time to find this brilliant stock to buy, and if you don't need this, and I can just talk about super hype stocks like marijuana stocks or Chesapeake Energy, just leave it in a comment below. Okay, Supernus Pharmaceuticals, drug generic, United States, with profit margin 25%. Debt to equity is okay, close to 500 employees, and we will have a new report in 3 days. And actually, you still have time to buy it if you're watching it like in February. We have a market cap $1.2 billion, $100 million in income, and 400 million in sales. And I think we have a super nice chart here because they fall down from 60 to 20, and if you watch some my other videos, you know that I like it, because when you're buying on a reverse you have like maximum money. I really like that they are trying to make pharmaceuticals for ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity, and they are quite close to get FDA approval, I think. We have only 52 million shares outstanding, and I think it's +2. We have price target upside 100%, but it's I think old numbers, but it's cool too. 4 buy, 3 hold, and the price now only $24, and consensus price target 47. Here how a chart looks like, and I think here we can talk about some sort of hype about attention deficit hyperactivity pharmaceuticals, and I think they just now have a fair value, or maybe it can be a little bit lower, but I will buy this stock right now. Yeah, you can see that they just grow normally. Here how a earning chart look like, and we have the same trend here, like upper trend, and it is quite strange. Only hype about attention deficit hyperactivity can do this. In quarterly earnings, everything is okay. We have stable earning per share around 0.5, maybe a little bit better in 2019, and annually there is no problem too, and we have some kind of grow here from 30 cent, 1.8, 1.13, 2.13. I don't see any problems. And net income grows from 13 millions to 100 millions. And I think we will have like 400 millions. CEO bought some shares, and it's good too. And that I really like, Jude Capital Management bought it too. It was 2 days ago, and when I analyze stocks, I saw Jude Capital like 1 million times, and when I see this, I just feel something good, because their analytics are super strong. And nothing interesting in options. And now it's time for 10Q report. Actually, the company is a pharmaceuticals company focused on developing and commercialization products for the treatment of central nervous system diseases. They actually have two market products, Oxtellar XR and Trokendi XR. They are both for epilepsy, but Trokendi, what I really like that they are selling license outside the United States, and it's for me just like they have some focus on United States, and it's cool too. Here we can see net product sales for Trokendi and Oxtellar, and we have a little bit like drop down for 2 millions for Trokendi, but I think it's not a problem. 77 millions in 3 months, and Oxtellar 22 millions, and we have 100 millions net product sales. I think it's super nice. Here we can see some old version of pipeline, and I think they are really so close for SPN 812, and it will be only one drug for ADHD disease, and I think it's super nice because if they will get FDA approved, I think we can triple this stock. And here we can see prescriptions for Trokendi and Oxtellar, and we have like +5 and +20%. Here you can read about development of the pharmaceuticals, and I think it's not super nice, but I think they will get FDA approval, or if they wouldn't get it, I think we wouldn't lose any money, because now we have equity around market cap, and I don't think that they will go down like to 15 or something like this. And when we are talking about small companies with only 2 pharmaceuticals, we need to check patents, and we have Trokendi XR for 2023, and we have 3 years, and when we will get to January of 2023, it doesn't mean that we will lose permanently money in revenue, because other companies need lots of time to make a generic. Actually, as a resume, I think we have some kind of gold here, because we have a nice price right now. We have lots of opportunity to grow. They can grow, we know that. And what actually do you need more? And we have like profit right now. What you will do with this information? If you will buy this stock, please leave a comment below. It will be interesting for me. And bye bye.